So before anybody says anything, yes, that is a paper cup with a plastic straw. Don't come for me. I know I'm harming the earth. I'm so sorry. I meant to tell them that I had a cup before they made the drink. So, yeah. La 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 la. It hasn't even been 2 minutes into the video, and I've already showed me eating at least twice. Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to if you're new. As you can see by the title, today's video is a get ready with me. A lot of you guys have been asking me to do get ready with me's because you love my get ready with me's. I wonder why. But today, of course, is the 4th of July, so happy birthday, America, period. But anyways, happy 4th of July to you guys. Hope you guys had a nice 4th of July. Hope you didn't get fireworks shot in the foot by a firework like I did last year. Very painful.
You nasty beast!
But if you guys want a skincare routine, let me know in the comments down below, and I will get that out for you guys because your girl's skin is flourishing. I don't want to say nothing because every single time I say something, they don't want to start acting up. And I'm about to go on vacation too, so we can't have none of that. Every single time you want to go on vacation, one of the three happen. Your skin start acting up, you get your period, or the weather start acting up. Especially if you're going to a tropical vacation. Like if you're going to Florida somewhere, or if you're going to Hawaii, you might as well forget it. Look at these edges. I went to sleep and everything, and they is still slayed. Can y'all see that? Y'all gotta see. Like, period. Y'all, I'm holding off on getting anything done, like nails, eyelashes, anything like nails, eyebrows, anything like that, because I'm not trying to get it done and then have to get it right back done for school. So actually no, I gotta get it done a little bit before school, which freaking sucks because then I have to get it done again for the first day of school because they have our pictures, like our senior pictures, because if you didn't know, class of 2020, period. They have our senior pictures on July 24th, and we don't go back to school till August 13th, and my eyebrows gonna be grown out by then. But I am not ready for senior year. When I tell you, they be taxing on us seniors. Like, we just trying to get up and go. And they just trying to charge for every little thing. Like, don't you know we about to go to college? Well, some of us. I don't know about all of us. So, guys, if you didn't already know, which means you haven't been up to date on my videos, so shame on you. I got my nose pierced. I know, like, the video has been going. I had my nose pierced. I'm just not telling you. Obviously, you know now. But I got my nose pierced, and I bet you don't know I got my hair cut. It's underneath this bonnet. If you haven't already, go check out my 24-hour transformation video. Spoiler alert, it wasn't 24 hours, but I worked really hard on that editing. So you guys go comment and tell me how I did. I know a lot of you guys already have been commenting. That video has a lot of... It's not my most viewed video, but it does have a lot of activity going on, you know, a lot of comments, a lot of likes. You guys really are enjoying that video, so yeah, make sure to go check it out so you can enjoy it too, you know what I'm saying? And if you enjoyed it, don't you think your friends and your family will enjoy it? Like, why are you being selfish? Share with them. Let them have a laugh too, okay? It's enough laughs to go around, period. All right, we're done with that. Food break. Our second rule. The Lord bless it. When I tell you, people was popping fireworks 2 weeks before the 4th of July. Like, I'm laying in my bed with my dog, and all we hear is poo, 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 poo. And I'm like, girl, 4th of July is legit 2 weeks away. It is still June, and you over here popping fireworks. This dog sitting down here staring at me like, what's good? What's good? You want something? You want to fight? Little nigga, post up. I see her. She's sitting there looking like she wants something, but then she don't want to do nothing. Like, over there talking all that mess, and then you want to sit back and stare in the crowd when it's time to do something. Post up, little nigga. Post up. That's what I thought. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to do that. Violence is not the answer, y'all. Sorry about that, y'all. People be wanting to act big and bad. And then when it come down to the boxing ring, they don't want to get in. Come on now, because you got product and you know you ain't coming out.
2,000 years later.
Okay, we're not doing this more because we're not playing games with you no more today. So this is what we're not going to do. Had to get ghetto on your ass. Who trying to come in? They better stay out because I got a Glock in the back and I do not miss, bitch. Or whatever Kill Illuminati said.
Y'all hoes ain't really about shit. Come with that jumping shit and I got a Glock in the back with a scope. And I do not miss, bitch.
Sound like some macaroni up in here. Big my shorts look compared to my shirt. Girl, it's thicky. Thickiana. Anyway. I picked out my outfit, so I just have this shirt from Rainbow. Super cute. Some shorts. These are from Cotton On, and then just some Nike shoes. You know, to tie the red, white, and blue together. Hey, I finished my hair and my edges off camera because I like watching YouTube when I get ready, and I kind of can't do that if I'm recording. So you kind of lucked out. I honestly don't know why you guys like my Get Ready With Me's because I don't do makeup. Most of the time when I watch Get Ready With Me's, that's what they're doing. Did I shave? Good enough. But anyways, I don't do makeup. And most of the time, my deodorant just broke. But most of the time when I do when I watch Get Ready With Me, a lot of them do makeup. So I feel like mine are just boring. But yeah, I'm gonna start editing this video because I don't have to go anywhere anytime soon. It is only 3:30, so fireworks don't start till... Ooh, I just brushed my teeth and that tastes disgusting. If you guys haven't already, go follow my Instagram. I'm going to be posting a lot more. I'm going to take my horse to the old town road. I'm going to ride till I can't no more.
Play my song, the butterflies fly away. Flying my hair like yeah. Moving my hips like yeah.
Like Michael. Wanna take my friends. Lightning bugs. I gotta make myself believe that planet Earth turns slowly. How about you putting my tattoo on? Oh my god. Are we doing good? Okay, it's coming off anyway. Let's see. Period. Oh, you're littering.
I got it.
Period.
Period.
Period, poo.
Period.
What's wiggling in there? Something in there wiggling.
Evil.
myself free. And all this way, I bless the USA. Holy light. I sound like Fergie. Willie held twilight's last gleam, moved by stripes and bright stars. Is this Fergie?
It might be.
So gallantly streaming, and the rockets. Oh no, she didn't do that. It's not Fergie. Mia, do you know the Star Spangled Banner?
No.
Oh, say does that Star-Spangled Banner yet wave o'er the land of the free? Oh, I can't hold it. I'm tired. Oh,